Donald Rimbai, who claimed ownership of land at Resource Rubber Private Limited at Mosmai Riphoi district, was arrested yesterday by Riphoi police based on an FIR filed by the factory owner accusing him of instigating a pressure group. Additional SP Banrap Langjirwa stated that Rimbai was arrested for allegedly inciting the pressure group to inspect the factory and also failed to comply with the order of the executive magistrate to maintain peace and tranquility by instigating the pressure group.
Lai ko order ba, mendai menu-menu ro pan penbi kono no kajingannya khaja atau kajaka, nang tan dari baja ai ham tu, kamu ngila ban le kan legal action. Ta harani kajingja ni kisni, ba ngio jinte ba uba Donald hi yalam hang tu udan hang tu habar tu kanaro yalam kidan ki members yang kisang balang ki alai hang tu kami kajing keluar te hang tu ga nongren nakaliang kitrai jong tu company kila ada ke FIR ba kaju aja si dia pun nang tahu deu ba Donald hi ba sedang pencet dia ni ba tetakarang ni hak panara si